Hello, cake lovers. Welcome to an exciting tour of a state-of-the-art cake factory where thousands of delicious cakes are crafted every day. Have you ever wondered how those fluffy, beautifully decorated cakes make it to your table? We are here to learn about the cake-making process in a large factory fully equipped with advanced equipment. Get ready and let's dive in. Every great cake begins with top-notch ingredients, and eggs are the star. This factory processes hundreds of eggs per minute using a high-speed egg-breaking machine. The machine cracks each egg precisely, separating yolks and whites into separate containers. If a yolk breaks and mixes with the white, a filtration system catches it for alternative uses. Next up is the heart of the cake, a soft, fluffy sponge that never falls flat. The factory uses a special technique, separating yolks and whites for the ideal texture. Yolks are blended with milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract in another mixing tank. Egg whites go into a large-scale mixer, whipped with sugar from a precise measuring system. In just 2 minutes, they form glossy, stiff peaks, like clouds. A sensor ensures the perfect fluffiness every time. Meanwhile, yolks are blended with milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract in another mixing tank. Flour, pre-sifted from a massive silo, is gradually added to create a smooth batter. Then, the whipped whites are gently folded in using a planetary mixer to preserve the airiness. To make the cakes extra delicious, the factory adds a touch of flavor. A dosing system injects chocolate, strawberry, or citrus essence into the batter, carefully measured for consistent taste across every cake. Now it's time to bake. The batter is pumped into a molding machine. A weighing system ensures each tray gets the exact same amount. Finally, a cutter machine slices the cakes into thin, even layers, ready for frosting. Those clean cuts are stunning. A cake isn't complete without frosting. A high-speed mixer blends the cream with powdered sugar and vanilla extract, creating velvety frosting in just 60 seconds. This is where cakes get their wow factor. A frosting machine applies a smooth layer of cream to the top and sides. There are many different types of cakes. Vanilla cream cakes topped with fresh strawberries and blueberries. Chocolate ganache cakes with a glossy chocolate finish. Decorations take it to the next level. Machines pipe intricate swirls on chocolate cakes or sprinkle edible glitter for birthdays. For wedding cakes, they create detailed cream patterns and add delicate sugar flowers. Some even print happy birthday or custom designs using edible ink. Now comes the fun part: rainbow cakes that steal the show. These vibrant, factory-made creations are bursting with color. The process starts just like classic cakes. To create the rainbow effect, the dough is divided into 6 batches. Each batch is sprinkled with a dose of food-safe dye: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, to create vibrant, eye-catching layers. Once cooled, a cutter slices the cake into thin, even layers, ready to be stacked into colorful masterpieces. Workers spread a thin layer of white icing between each colored layer, securing them together. The stacks of cakes are gently pressed to keep the colors vibrant without crushing the cake. Toppings like edible glitter or rainbow-shaped candies are sprinkled on top for a dazzling finish. Each cake is inspected to ensure consistent colors and decorations, even when produced in large quantities. The finished rainbow cake is transferred to the packaging machine, wrapped in a transparent box to showcase the vibrant cake layers.